Hello everyone, hope you all are fine. So we are doing rocks and minerals. Yesterday I have explained you about the sedimentary rock. It is clear to you all what is sedimentary rock. What is sedimentary rock and how sedimentary rock is formed. Yes, what happened? Rocks of mountain what happened? It break down into a small pieces. How it break? Due to rain, water and wind. Rain, water and wind. After that it flows with the water and it settles where it is in the bottom of sea and ocean. It settles in the bottom of, okay, it is settled on the bottom of river and ocean bed. Bottom of river and ocean bed. Like this way, one by one layer comes and settle there. It is known as sediment. That is known as sediment. And again what happened there? Very often, dead remain of plants and animals are also get buried there. Dead plants and animals also buried there, and due to heat and pressure, it takes millions of years and it change into a sedimentary rock. Due to heat and pressure and millions of years takes to change into a sedimentary rock. Which thing change into a sedimentary rock? The sediments. Everything which is coming due to the water, flowing with the water, and it comes and it settles down on river, in the bottom of river and ocean, and also the dead buried of animals and plant, they buried there, and all this thing deposit there, and that is known as sediment. And after that what happened? It takes many years. It takes millions of years to form a rock, and with the help of the heat and pressure, it takes millions of years and it form a rock. That is known as what? Sedimentary rock. Now sedimentary rocks are divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 kinds. 4 kinds. What are the kinds? Number 1, sandstone. Number 1 is sandstone. Number 2, conglomerate. Number 2, conglomerate. Number 3, limestone. Number 3 is limestone. And number 4 is shell. Okay, now we will deal with sandstone. First we will deal with sandstone. It is a soft rock. Sandstone is a what? Sandstone is a soft rock and is formed by sand particles and cemented together. Okay, which type of rock? This is sandstone. It is a soft rock. Soft means you know it is soft type rock. It is a soft rock formed by sand particle and cemented together. Understood? Then after that what you are seeing? It is used for making the building. The sandstone is used for making the building. Understood? What purpose we use the sandstone? This sandstone is used for making the building, and such as in our India we can see the famous monuments are there. What are that? Red Fort and Qutub Minar is made up of sandstone. Red Fort and Qutub Minar is made up of sandstone. Clear to you all about sandstone? What you have seen about the sandstone? Sandstone is a soft type of rock. It is a soft rock and it formed by the sand particle. How it formed? It formed by the sand particle cemented together. Understood? And it is used for making the building. It is used for making the building. Where you can see the sandstone? We can see the sandstone in our India. We can see where Red Fort and Qutub Minar is made up of sandstone. Red Fort, Qutub Minar is made up of sandstone. Because sandstone is used for making the building. And here Red Fort and famous building are there. That is in Delhi, Red Fort and Qutub Minar. It is made up of sandstone. Next one you are seeing that, what is that? Conglomerate. What is that? Conglomerate. Now it is formed by the pebbles, gravel and bounded together into a mass. How it formed? It formed by pebbles, okay, small pebbles, okay, gravel and bounded together into a mass, and it is made a conglomerate. It is made conglomerate. Understood? It is uneven. It is uneven and rough to touch. When you will touch this conglomerate, it is uneven, means shape is here pointed, here not a definite shape. It is uneven and rough. When you will touch it, what you will see, it is rough. Portion is rough. It is a rough to touch. Understood? In conglomerate, what you are seeing, that it is uneven and rough to touch. Again, what you are seeing here, it is used for construction. This conglomerate is used for construction. What construction? Construction purpose. Construction means building construction or any construction, statue construction. They can use this conglomerate and for building purpose, construction purpose, and also polish and make ornaments. It is polished to make ornaments. This conglomerate is polished to make ornaments. Now it is clear to you all about the conglomerate. What you have seen here in conglomerate, that it is formed by how? It is formed by pebbles, yes, pebbles, gravel and bolded together into a mass, and it form a what? Conglomerate. And it is a even and rough to touch. Understood? It is a even and rough to, when you will touch it, it is a even and rough to touch. Clear it is? Now, which type of rock it is? It is a hard rock. Which type of rock? Hard rock. And what you have seen in sandstone, it is a soft rock. Okay? And conglomerate is a hard rock. Clear it is? Now it is used for what? Construction. It is used for construction. Conglomerate is used for construction, and it is also polished and used as an ornament. Okay? Polished to make a ornament. Clear it is? So today you have learned about sandstone, and next one is conglomerate. Again tomorrow we will see that limestone and same. Okay, today this much only. Okay student, bye bye. Next day again we will meet. Okay.